This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Alotaibi. This beautiful two-story brick and stone home offers exceptional curb appeal with mature trees, manicured landscaping, and a welcoming covered front porch. Inside, you'll find a bright and open floor plan with soaring ceilings, large windows, and spacious living areas. The home features a two-car garage, extended driveway, and a private backyard perfect for entertaining. With its timeless exterior and modern interior layout, this property is move-in ready and ideal for both everyday living and hosting guests. For more information, review the details below or contact Alotaibi at 888-668-8283.